Hi everyone. So it's after quite some time that I'm coming back with a VBA tool that is probably one of the most useful and probably something which can be used almost every day by any of us. I am using it almost every day, so I'm sure it will be extremely helpful for you. So the problem statement here is there are often times when you save a file or an Excel or a document or a pic on your desktop or on a folder somewhere, but you don't really remember where is it, and it gets very difficult to retrieve that. So today we'll see how that can be done very easily with also an last updated time. So this means 18th February 149, the path of the folder, and simply we have to do is just search the file here. So let's say if I want to see, say this, if the file name contains this, then I should get this file and I simply click on this and then this sheet opens. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Yeah, I'll delete it for a while because some of my files are open. That's why you have these temporary files, but it will not show unless uh, they are closed. Okay, so let me show you what basically we mean. Now, let us come to that folder.
Now here we see that the name of the folder we have given is Varun File Search Demo. So let's see what exactly this is. For instance, this is the folder that we have, okay? And we have a few files here. There are two folders. There could be, let me write one more right in front of you. Okay. So let's say for Excel, okay? Of course, this is blank, not doesn't matter. Okay, I have created it right in front of you. Now let's get back. And what I'm going to do right now is simply click to retrieve files. Okay, once I do that, the files are there. Okay, it's there in column A. If you want, you can see that, but I've hidden it. And just click on 4. There you go. You get this file. Or let's say if there is say this, okay, you will get only this file. All you need to do is click here. So let me write 4, and this is the file that we just created. I'm clicking here, and there you go, this file opens. Okay, so now you understand how powerful this is. Yeah, and that's it. It's so simple, and it also tells you that it has been updated on 2:01 p.m., which is right now. And this folder could be anything, okay? Whichever folder, wherever you save, just give the name of the file, click here, and it's done. The only thing you have to do is, if you keep adding file, just click this once. If you are not adding too many files, then you don't need to click this also. It will automatically show up as you type in the search. So let's say these are all the files. Suppose if you, so I have only 4 files in this, that is why it is showing 4. If you had say thousands of files, it would all show those 1,000 files. All you need to do is type the name of the file here. So let's say 2_excl. There you go. 2_excl. Also, if you want to see all the files which are in folder 2, so what you will simply do is write 2. And there you go. I am seeing this is searching basis this 2. Okay. And you can click. There you go. This opens up. Yeah. So I know immensely useful, and I hope this helps you also and makes your life easier, saves time. Thank you.